Hey, Al Nystrom with Lincoln Electric, and I'm excited to tell you about our brand new pipe welding solution for out in the field. We have a Frontier 400X pipe, which is a fantastic stick welder for cellulosic root passes and everything else you need when you're out on the firing line. But today we're going to pair that up with the Activ8x pipe. What this brings you is the ability to do STT root passes out in the field, and then you can change to pulse modes. You can basically go root to cap, weld it all the way out. We'll show you how to hook it up. Go ahead and turn on our Frontier. I'm going to grab our positive lead. You'll see in the back we have our red. That's where our positive goes. Hook up the negative. Turn that around for you. Go ahead, start up our engine. Once we start the engine, we're going to have to select a mode to turn the output on. I'm going to turn on my Activ8x pipe. You can see it's powering up. Once the Activ8x pipe initializes, it's going to take control via crosslink over our Frontier 400X pipe. You'll see right there, that shows you that we're ready to go, the Activ8x pipe. I'm going to select my mode. I'm going to go to STT field, 035 wire argon gas mix. I just have to set my wire feed speed. Voltage is automatically set, ready to go. Next I would hook up my gas to the back. Take my work clamp, hook it up to the front, and then attach that to my pipe. After that, we're ready to go. Just like that, STT in the field, wherever you need to be. Frontier 400X pipe, Activ8x pipe. Have any other questions about this setup or any other pipe welding solutions from Lincoln Electric, go to lincolnelectric.com.